about starting your own business? If so, one of the basic steps you will take is probably renting a commercial space. The relationship that you will have with your landlord is one of the most important relationships. They can regulate when you can do your business, when you can open, what you can sell. They can put competitors next to you unless you negotiated some type of exclusivity, and it could greatly damage your business. It is so important to fully understand a commercial lease. Yes, I know it's a lot of papers and it's probably 80 pages and full of legalese, but if you don't understand it and you sign on it, you're going to be bound to it. Some tips that I give my clients regarding commercial leases are as follows. 1. Negotiate a shorter period with options to renew. That way you're in the driver's seat. If the location works, you can renew, and if it doesn't, you can move out. Also, have a cap on how much they can increase your rent for the options to renew. Otherwise, you're going to have an option to renew. The landlord says I'm going to increase it by 20%, and now you cannot renew it. So be really careful with that. Depending on the type of business, you might want to negotiate an exclusivity. What do I mean by that? You may not want the landlord to rent to another restaurant in a commercial plaza. Or if you're a realtor, you may not want the landlord to rent to another real estate office in the same building. All those things can be negotiated. It's called an exclusivity clause, and it's something that you can negotiate at the beginning of your lease. Also, don't forget, you can ask for free rent. Yes, you can. You can negotiate with the landlord for you not to start paying rent until you're actually able to operate, meaning you have your occupational license and any permit that you need for your business. You could also negotiate for what is called tenant improvement allowance, which is a money that the landlord gives you either in the form of free rent or actual money to build out the space depending on the type of business that you're going to have. So don't forget to negotiate for those two things. In Florida, your duty to pay rent is not tied with your right to occupy the premises. We saw all of this during COVID, where a lot of businesses could not open, but yet they still needed to pay rent. So this is something you can change in your commercial lease. You can tie up your duty to pay rent with your ability to use the premises. All of it is negotiable. Hire an attorney. Have them review the lease. A commercial lease is a very intricate document, so make sure you hire an attorney that specializes in commercial leases to fully advise you either to make changes, negotiate, or to realize that that space is just not going to work for you. At Cuidado & Associates, we focus on commercial leases. We help with everything that has to do with real estate, business formation, business protection, trademarks, copyright, and litigation that arises from it. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us via WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, any which way you want. We are here to assist you every step of the way.